How do? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a new design for Cole Stangle. All new colors, all new design. How about we do this in real time, and that'll be the majority of the video. Try something different. Find my edge here. Where does it go? These panels are a little different than normal. It's still moving. I got a big lip at the bottom and a hard edge at the top. So it's a little bit more difficult, but not terrible. So I figured this would give people a good idea of how long it takes to do a door. Since most of the time I'm doing it on time lapse. Where's my knife? And it could be hard to gauge how long this stuff actually takes. Back. A lot more detail on these panels, not like a regular panel that I would get from Bicknell. Same dimensions, just more bends, more detail. So it takes a little bit longer to trim them out and see what I gotta do. Oh man. We can tuck this over the lip here so there's no edge to catch when you're getting in and out or leaning over it. That edge is tucked. Clean this inner door quickly. Then we can put this decal on. Knife. And cut these holes out, and this panel will be done. All right, so that's it. And I just got to check because this kind of ticked up a little bit when I took the backing off. I just got to make sure my lines over here match up with those lines over there. But that's done. Very hard profile on this. That's why I sliced that a relief cut there, a relief cut here, and a relief cut on this bead roll. I'd rather see like a good clean straight cut than the vinyl start tenting over time, because it will. This isn't the kind of material that you would use on a commercial vehicle. This is built more for race cars, and that's just how I do it. There, very nice. All right, so that'll wrap this video up. Figured I'd do a real time, you know, going doing a door. The camera said 17 minutes. I think there was already 3.5 or so on that clip before I started doing the door. So I figured 10 minutes probably to do the door, which isn't terrible. I'm gonna keep going till I gotta leave, and that'll wrap up this video. So thanks for watching, and see you next Friday, or maybe start uploading through the week. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully, we will see you on that one though, whenever I post it.